Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vira. In this video, I will show you how to enable or activate developer options on your Oppo A3x and Oppo A3 Pro. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Yep, to activate your developer options, first thing first, open your settings menu and then go to about device, click it. Next, you open version, click version. Yep, in this version number, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. Enter your lock screen password. You are now a developer. Next, we click back. Back again one more times. Next, in your settings menu, you open additional settings. Click it. Now you can see developer options menu. Open your developer options menu. Yep, successfully to activate developer options menu. You can see in developer options menu so many hidden settings for your device like memory, and you can see, yep, this is small width or DPI, and window animation scale, transition animation scale, and so many hidden settings for your device. But you have to understand before you activate it, because if it's wrong can cause problem for your device like black screen or reset. Okay guys, enjoy settings on your developer mode. If you have finished, you can turn off your developer mode. Tap this icon. Yep, your developer options is disabled. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.